Hi everybody, today we're going to do a fun unboxing. This is something that was recently inspired to do. We're going to open up some Taco Bell. So this morning I picked up 3 items off of the Taco Bell dollar menu. These are one each of the grilled breakfast burritos that they serve. And inside the bag you also get some napkins, more napkins, all that stuff. Alright, so there are 3 different flavors. They have the bacon, sausage, and the Fiesta potato. Now, having tried each of these before already, I can tell you I prefer the Fiesta potato. For some reason, Taco Bell just does a really good job of making potatoes. But I did notice something upon eating each of these burritos, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I think everybody's familiar with how this works. When you get a burrito from Taco Bell or food from Taco Bell, the food is not always nicely spaced inside of the burrito. And so sometimes you'll get a bite of nothing but tomato, and sometimes you get a bite of nothing but sauce or nothing but cheese, you know. And so I wanted to open them up and actually see inside, you know, what do they really look like. So this one here first is the bacon breakfast burrito. And as we unroll it, we can see that this one has a lot of bacon on one side, a little bit of egg in the middle, and then the cheese on this other side. And of course, whenever you folded it over, the cheese and the bacon stuck together. So you've got some bacon back over here too. But if you're biting into this from this side here, you're basically getting all cheese and a little bit of egg, a little bit of bacon, until you get back to this end here, and then you're pretty much eating all bacon on that. So one of the problems with eating Taco Bell is that they just don't space out their food whenever they make it that well. So let's take a look at the sausage and let's see. Or they don't blend their food, I guess is a better way of putting it. Here's the sausage one. I'm going to open this one up, peel it back. It's a little tough, you know, because these are those grilled burritos, so they kind of seal a little bit better. Alright, sausage is more of the same. We got a bunch of cheese on this end. We have no cheese over here. But then we do have spaced out, evenly spaced sausage, and looks like there's no egg up here really. Give it a shot. Whoa, looks disgusting. I mean, whenever you're eating it, it tastes really good. But whenever you open it up, like, these ingredients just don't look appetizing at all. Alright, so here's the last one. This is the one I recommend you guys try if you haven't already, because for some reason potatoes from Taco Bell are delicious. And this is the Fiesta potato one. It's a little bit thicker than the other 2. And inside we've got actually a very well represented burrito. This is probably the best one I've ever seen. Eating it from one side, you're going to get a bite of everything. Potato, what do they call this? The cilantro, I guess. The egg, the cheese. This one is all spaced out. So this one is very, very good compared to the other 2. Now, let's take a look and just see how much food we actually get in each one of these. We're going to go ahead and turn on the scale. I got it set to pounds and ounces right now. And we're going to drop the potato one on first. Let's fold this under so that way it doesn't touch the countertop. Alright, so we got about 6.2 ounces of food in the potato burrito. Checking out the bacon one. .7 ounces. And then the sausage. .9. So the sausage and bacon burritos are both, you know, pretty skimpy. Whenever you open up that potato one, you can definitely see how much more was actually inside of it. So if I'm going to be ordering something in the future, this is definitely the one I'm going to recommend, the potato one. There's just more content to it. It weighs more. It's good. And I lucked out and just happened to have this one made correctly, and the food divided up evenly. So now time for me to take some bites and enjoy my breakfast. But thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys next time.